Hi, this is Mike Smith from Church Office Online Support. Welcome to a brief tutorial on how to add individual contributions using our new Add Individual Contributions feature. This feature is located in the the Contributions section, and simply by hitting Add Individual Contributions, you'll be taken to this new feature. The tutorial itself is clickable again within this new feature, as well as if you choose to want to use the old interface, then there is a link here on the page as well. Now, what's unique about this particular new feature is it allows for tab features to go through the various fields, as well as split outs now for checks and totaling. So let's begin. First of all, in the date field now, you just simply need to select a date off the calendar rather than entering the date. Second, in the individual name, if you just put in 2 letters of the name, either first name or last name, as you see here, it appears AD appears here, or an AD in Adams. So then choose the name, and then you'll choose the category. We'll choose budget, and we'll choose an amount of $200. And then in notes section, if you want to, you can put in the check amount, the check number, and then you'll just simply click Add Contributions to enter that contribution into the records. Now, for the split out, notice that once you added it, it already fills in the 10/10 date. You can change that, but for in most cases, you will be adding contributions that were received on a given day. So that's nice to have that not clear, and you don't have to re-enter that again. Next, we're going to enter another contribution. This time we are going to do a split out. Now, a split out is where you receive a check for, say, $300, and it has 3 designations, or 2 or more. And for this case, let's say the first designation is general, and they designated of the 300, 200 to go to the general fund. Now, instead of hitting click Add Contribution, we're going to say Add More for this individual. Once you do that, notice that there is now a totaling feature located here, in which when you add the next amount, say to the missions fund, we're going to add $50 to missions. Once you hit enter there, it now totals it down here to 250. And then we will now click another contribution, and this time to the building fund. And we're going to enter another amount of $50. You can press enter, and again you'll see a $300, and that totals the check. And it's a great utility for making sure that the split out is totaling the amount in which the check was written for. Once you've completed all your contributions for that individual, click Add Contribution. You'll see that on the registry, and the registry always keeps the most current contribution you entered at the top. So we can see here 50 and 50 and 200 is $300 that was entered for Aaron Arrow. And now we can add another name. Also, another feature I mentioned before is the ability to tab through. A lot of our financial secretaries and so forth at churches really prefer to have something in which they can tab through on a date. And so in this one, you'll just click your date first, and of course if that's already entered, then just go ahead and click into the next field. Say we're going to click that, or if you want to, you go to the next field like building fund. Instead of using your mouse, you can just go down to the various categories, hit general, enter the amount 250, and hit tab again, and you can go to split out, or you can just add the contribution, hit enter, and then you can continue to add more. And so it's a great easy feature to use. We hope that you appreciate it. In fact, we appreciate many of our clients who have given us some good advice and wishes about having a feature like this, and so we appreciate all those who contributed towards it. Thank you very much.